Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer, Impossible, and Beyond vegetarian burgers. And we'll see which one is better. Let's begin. For the Impossible plant-based burger, the regular price is $6.29. However, I got it on sale for $5.99 and it's 12 ounces. For the Beyond Meat, I got it for $7.79 and it's around 16 ounces. Okay, let's open it up. For look-wise, the plant-based Impossible meat looks a little bit more red compared to Beyond. And I have to say, the Impossible looks a little bit more like red meat. We'll be using around half a pound per burger. So this is 16 ounces, so we'll cut it in half. And since this is 12, we'll just cut a little bit more for half a pound. Let's take it out. The first thing what we're going to do is roll up the meat into a ball. Just like that. Next, we're going to cover it with saran wrap. And now we're going to flatten it with a pan. There you go. We're going to season it with some garlic salt. Turn it over. Sprinkle some more garlic salt. Some onion powder. Turn it over. Do the same thing with the onion powder. And lastly, some black pepper. We have the plant-based burgers all seasoned, and now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to preheat it to 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the plant-based burgers. Before we do that, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. We're going to put in the Impossible burger first. We're going to put the Impossible burger on the left side and the Beyond burger on the right side. Okay, let's put it in. We're going to put it to 400 degrees for a total time of 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's flip them over. One thing I noticed when you start cooking the Beyond burger, it starts turning more red. Let's flip over the Beyond burger. And now let's flip over the Impossible burger. I have to say, so far they really smell like real burgers. We're going to put it back in for the last 5 minutes at 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. Let's check the temperature real quick. And it's above 165 degrees. Let's take it out. We're going to put some lettuce on top of the bun. Then we're going to put the burger on top. Some tomatoes. Okay, this is what we have today, the Impossible and Beyond burger. It's cut in half. There we go. That's the Impossible burger. And now let's cut open the Beyond burger. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Let's try the Impossible burger first. Not bad. The Impossible burger tastes like real meat, and the texture is very similar to a real burger. Let's try the Beyond burger. The Beyond burger does taste like real meat, however, I think it has like a bean taste to it. I'm gonna try again. The texture of the Beyond Burger is like real meat. However, it does taste like real meat, but it has like a bean flavor to it, is what I noticed. So I'm gonna try the Impossible Burger one more time just to make sure. Okay, after tasting it twice, I have to say the Impossible Burger does taste a little bit more like a real burger. I think I prefer the Impossible Burger, but don't take my word for it. Here, have a bite and decide for yourself.